As per our really current kind of smooth love elixir cost expectation, the worth of in every practical sense, smooth love mixture will expanded by 232.92%, coming to $0.00680 by end of 2025 in a significant manner. All specialized pointers show that the kind of current feeling is negative, while the apprehension and insatiability record is perusing 9.78, which fundamentally implies intense trepidation. Our really smooth love elixir gauge, it's unsafe to sell smooth love mixture at this moment. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among smooth love mixture cost expectations, which is genuinely critical. See the specific smooth love elixir cost expectation beneath. You will realize how in every practical sense, much smooth love mixture is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the truly most recent 30 days, truly smooth love mixture generally has really diminished by 12.62% in a significant manner. Because of this, we can truly get, with the exception of a sort of slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of June. The worth of smooth love elixir expanded by 118.25% and came to approach around $0.00407, which basically is genuinely critical. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness list shows 9.78 exceptionally intense feelings of dread, which is very critical. As per our conjecture, this certainly isn't the ideal opportunity to sell smooth love elixir. As a matter of fact, as of now, smooth love mixture basically is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving commonly normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA for the most part has shown a genuinely smooth love elixir offering signal, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of genuinely smooth love elixir generally is presently running underneath the 50-day basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and it especially shows a sell truly signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will sort of hit $0.00256 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, kind of smooth love potion S transient 50-day SMA sort of shows as $0.00204, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The general strength record, RSI, force oscillator, really is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, as opposed to prevalent thinking. RSI is at present at Ursivalu. This shows that the SLP market basically is in a purchase position. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023, in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Smooth love mixture came to $0.00342 when it fundamentally dipped under $0.00200. Interestingly, since January 2021, in an unobtrusive manner, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, smooth love mixture in every way that really matters is en route to passing the $0.00410 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00410, it might break its characteristic of 42 cents and reach, which is very huge. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, really smooth love elixir will break its past all-time high of 42 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00393 and $0.00410 soon in an unpretentious manner. At this point, on 24 June 2023, sort of smooth love elixir is exchanging at $0.00186, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 30.21 M, and it really makes number 280 cash in the entire crypto world. In an unobtrusive manner, smooth love elixir value forecast 2024, there generally is plausible that smooth love mixture can get through the $0.00483 obstruction, and for the most part hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least smooth love mixture cost will be between $0.00399 to $0.00483, and the most sort of reasonable Smooth Love Elixir cost will be certainly consistent at around $0.00452 toward the finish of 2024. Despite genuinely smooth Love Potion's wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its ecologically disagreeable energy utilization, tycoon adventure sort of entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Smooth Love Elixir will reach $0.00483 toward the finish of 2024, or truly mid-2024. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists basically foresee that SLP will begin the year at $0.00550 and exchange around $0.00680 in a significant manner. As per their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with last year in a significant manner. This basically is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Smooth Love Elixir 2026 value expectation will extremely twofold in cost. However, it by and large is likewise conceivable that it may not, for the most part, arrive at its normal greatest $0.00858 level, or so they thought. Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to especially arrive at an unequaled by and large high of $0.00824 or $0.00858 in 2026, and it could generally be the time of Smooth Love Mixture. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast, or SLP, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it essentially has the truly potential to, in a real sense, accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Smooth Love Potion's cost is supposed to especially outperform $0.00858 in 2027 in a significant manner. It in a real sense has been anticipated that extremely Smooth Love Elixir will arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00858, and the sort of least cost basically is supposed to generally be around $0.00718 in the following a long time from 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Figure 2028. Market examiners and specialists certainly say that Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Beautiful Smooth Love Elixir, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00944 in 2028. In the meantime, Smooth Love Elixir is supposed to arrive at an, in every practical sense, least cost of $0.00886 this year. The truly greatest cost may basically reach $0.0101.